welcome back. My name's Miss Rhiannon, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a worry monster. This is an instructional video for our take-home packets for fall of 2021 with the Washington County Public Library Children's Department. This is my worry monster, and you can make one all your own with the take-home packet that you've picked out. Stay tuned for some instructions on how to make a little worry monster like this and to learn some cool new deep breathing techniques that can help you tackle worry. Thanks. Hi everyone, let's make a worry monster together. Here's one that I made earlier. To get started, you may want to lay some paper towels or a cloth down underneath your cardstock to cut down on mess. Your craft packet should include a couple pieces of cardstock, a little cup of paint or a little baggie of paint, a straw, and a couple of stickers to use as eyes. Lay your cardstock down on the table, and you're going to dip your straw into the paint. If your paint is too sticky, you may want to add just a little bit of water. Then you can put a little glob down on the page and take a deep breath in and blow it out. And when you take a deep breath in and blow it out through the straw, it creates such a cool shape as the paint moves across the page. And the more watery your paint is, the more it's going to move across the cardstock. Taking a deep breath like this can really help you to calm down your worry monster inside of you. Keep taking deep breaths in and blowing until you're happy with the shape. Then let it fully dry. Now you can add stickers for the eyes, and now we can start adding some details with a marker. I am adding a top hat to my worry monster because I get really worried when I have to go to a special fancy event. I'm also adding some eyebrows, a triangle nose, and a really worried mouth. I'm going to add some arms. And finally some legs. And here are my two worry monsters together. Thank you so much for participating in our craft today. I had so much fun, and I hope that you learned a couple new techniques to help tackle some worry in your life. That's all I have, so I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!